Good day, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of your favorite show, The Get Real Show. Today we have a very, very interesting topic at hand, a thought-provoking topic at hand. Who should the mother dish food for first, the father or the children? Let's hear what the rest of the squad has to say. I've got your boy Ori on my left-hand side, your girl Z over here, and we have a guest today, Victor, on my far right. Yes, guys, so you guys already know what the topic is today.
Yes.
When the mother cooks, who does she dish up for first? The husband or the children?
Dish. You dish up for everyone. When it comes to serving, you serve your man first. Or you serve the male person who is older than any one of us, maybe the husband, like I said, the husband first. Or if there's a granny or granddad, you start by her or him. So what do you think?
Well, where I come from and now I believe they used to do, or my own belief, the head of house, which is the father, should be served first. That's the purpose of the house. Is the head of the house, is the controller of the piloter, the captain. So he has to be served first.
How?
Because
it's on everybody else.
You can't expect, okay, for example, there is difference between if we are saying...
My only issue is you were talking fine the whole time until you said the head of the house.
Yeah, it's the head of the house.
Okay.
There must be a captain.
Yeah,
right?
There is a captain. Yeah. We're not denying that.
We're
not denying that.
But you know, always.
But some of the houses, they don't they just dish up. Okay. They just serve.
Are you?
Or can I ask you just a personal quick question? Okay. So, example, if your wife had to dish up for the kids first, would you feel disrespected?
My wife, if I'm at home, I'm cooking. For example, if there is a difference between. There must be a difference between maybe we are managing food, maybe there is no money, that the kids have to eat first. So first, you understand? But there is food surplus.
Okay. I don't know. Like in my own view, right?
Okay.
Because now you have to explain this in two different views, right? Let's say in the olden days, right, when food is being served, you have to first give the head of the family first, right?
Yeah.
But you see, in this generation, nobody cares about those things anymore. You can say, okay, the wife can be like, let me start with the kids because they're hungry, and the kids won't know, like, this is how this is being done then. Not like recently, you can just bring food and then you give the kids and then you left the head of the house behind because why? You just want the kids to eat first.
Yeah.
But first and foremost, it's supposed to be the head of the family. You say, okay, like, can you give them the food first? You know what I mean? And then the kids now can join later. For me, that's what, but these days, people don't care about what is happening back then and now. They just want to live life like we in this generation whereby you just serve food to anyone. Even now, a kid can go to the kitchen and dish up for himself first before the food is done and all that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Especially boys.
So, yeah. So, but
especially
for my own view,
boys can just
first,
enter and dish up for themselves and just leave.
Kind of.
True.
But at the end of the day, the foods first need to go to the head of the family. That's my own point of view. You see what I mean? So yeah.
Head of the family is the pilot, is the captain of the house.
Head.
So
You need to put salt and spice and pepper. You know why?
To make that.
But
we do understand.
But
Yes, in my culture, in my culture,
we understand there's a head, but you don't have to be constantly telling people you're a head.
But why are you guys having fault or having issue when each time we stated it as if like, okay, there is head, there is pilot, why?
Because I look at it.
If you guys are 4 children in the house, is there no header ones? No middle ones. So why are you now saying you are older than one?
But that doesn't matter. The firstborn never goes up to all the children and tell, oh, I'm the eldest, I'm the first. You never hear that. But you already...
If you grow up in the kind of situation where we, like me,
you always take the situation into your, like, in your culture. You always very cultural.
Even his point of view.
Like, it has to be personal, I guess.
See, majority of my view I feel it's being practiced in most African countries because I'm an African.
Yeah.
Also in South Africa, we're practicing that.
So it doesn't. It's not as
first.
if it's not as if I'm blind on one side.
Yeah.
So if as soon so far what I'm saying is being practiced in Africa, and as an African, you have to see your culture is your number one.
Yes.
Without your culture and your roots, you are nowhere to be found.
Yeah.
So that's culture. Dishing up for the husband first.
It's
is
a
basically
respect.
culture.
It's like a sign of respect.
It's a respect.
You understand?
And mind you, he's the one that goes
Out there
to make sure that there's food in the table, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Taking care of the house,
we grew up knowing like my father is the one that is
providing food and for everything for us. So it's just like a more or less like you see back in the days. We are not even talking that those things should be happening now. Back in the days, if your wife is serving you, she has to be on her knees. Nowadays we are not saying those things should happen. You understand? Because we know how you understand.
Because you know why back then a wife can bring the food, right, with water, with everything. But now these recent wives can just bring their food and then ask you to go and take water. Do you know what I mean? She'll be like, go and take water.
See, that is it.
You know.
See, if when I was growing up, if you are eating with the other ones, you understand? They will tell you, your swallow, the one you are taking, you have to finish it once. You don't just take like big one that you put it and the water from the another one, you put it in the soup. They will knock your head.
Yeah.
So there are some rules. You know.
No, but it's true.
I hear you.
You know these things, but what we are saying is that
that was an abuse.
It's not.
See, you cannot. What our new generation are doing, we always take our culture as an abuse, and it doesn't make sense to me. See, yes, there are some things that needs to be corrected.
Yes.
In our tradition, in our culture.
Yeah.
I'm not arguing with that, but we cannot be saying everything about Africa is an abuse. Is like this? Is no. You understand? For example, when an African, when you see your children misbehaving and you have been telling them don't do that, and you punish them, you cane them, and you'll be saying it's an abuse. No,
it's not an abuse.
You understand?
Actually, I was telling someone that particular thing, right? You see, when I was growing up, my mom, my dad, maybe they are not around, and then we are playing too much. The neighbor will beat me.
But it cannot happen now.
And my mom would like, I will explain to my mom like they were beating me. You will go there and ask, Mama, what happened to you? They said, this one is playing too much and he's going far beyond me. You know what I mean? And then my mother will be, that serves you right. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
so
I
that
understand.
time, everyone is like...
They are training
the kids are for everyone.
Everyone, sure.
Not like now, you can't even...
Because in those days we
that
believe
one.
if you go and maybe you misbehave in the future, you are spoiling our community's name.
Yeah.
It has to be
Yes.
community.
Yes.
You understand? Maybe they
Exactly.
caught you stealing or do everything is back home. So you are being referred back home.
Not
In
even your own
everything.
family. Not even
You
your own
understand?
family.
So-
The community where you come from,
So
they will
in,
say
that,
like...
in terms of that
you know.
food now, you can imagine my father, he has gone to work since and he has provided all the necessity, the money and everything, and mommy cooked, and mommy will not prepare his own food.
Can I just say
separately.
something?
Oh.
Like, I hear where you guys are coming from. I'm listening to everything, and your points are I get where you guys are coming from. But Ori just said something now about the man providing. What if it's... Because these days we live in a time where it's not only the man providing,
Yeah.
Okay.
it's not only the man
Yeah.
bringing food home. So I'm trying to... So don't put it like that, though. Don't
So
say...
even
don't
if
me
the
say,
woman, okay, even if the woman is putting out the money, does that mean you
No,
should disrespect
that,
your husband?
no,
No,
you get
we're not
it
saying
wrong.
that.
You're not
We're not
listening to
saying
me.
that.
What
Listen
I'm
to her.
saying is, you don't have to put it like that. He's the provider. We understand by nature you guys are providers. Point blank. Nobody's arguing that, yeah?
Okay.
But don't now say because he's the provider you need to.
But we have to say
position
it outside
up
because
first.
we are
No,
we are engaging in the
yeah,
topic.
where you guys,
So,
where you coming from? But don't.
That's why I still stand on the African, as if we are treating this case as an African. In African home, the man provides for all.
I
Let me
say,
see,
you know,
see,
and
see.
we're not denying
Fine.
that.
Yes.
So when he provides for her, there must be a level of respect for one another.
We must have respect.
Exactly.
That's what it
when
is. Point
okay.
blank.
So
Okay,
if we
you see,
stated all those things, why are we not having
in what you're
problem?
asking, right? If the woman is the one providing, right?
Yeah.
Not the one. What if she's providing as well? You guys are providing together, not she's the one providing.
Okay. Now, you see, when it comes to that, right? Africans, where we come from, no matter how the woman is making money, you still need to be there where you're supposed to be.
Okay.
Right? You know what I mean?
Okay.
Not like now, the lady will be like, after all, I'm making also money. So you don't have to tell me things. You
What
don't
to
have
do
to
and
do,
what
you
to
know what I
not
mean?
do.
But if you understand the fact that you're married and a woman's supposed to be submissive, not in abusive way, because you know recently some guys can abuse their wives.
Yes.
But if you're a reasonable woman, you must be submissive in all weather, whether you have or whether you don't have. Even if you're contributing, you still know your place as a woman, as a wife. Not like because you also providing. Now you can. You can be like want to share words and responding to whatever your husband is saying. You know what I mean? And then you'll be like, after all, you bring in money as well. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So some ladies can also bring money. Either they will tell the husband, this money I'm bringing, you will pay me back this money. Not just I'm bringing it because, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
There'll always be ladies like that. They'll be like, I'm bringing money, you will pay me that money back. But then you don't lose your respect, you know?
Yeah, we want
you
the
don't
money
lose your respect,
back.
that's the thing.
Okay, so like, what do I think though? Since you guys are not asking me what I'm
yeah.
thinking.
Okay, what do you think?
Now let's
What do
hear
you
you.
think,
So
Maria?
like, I don't know, guys. So I'm literally in between. Like, I'm like, okay. I honestly, Tunchi said something in the group when we were chatting about the topic. He said something about there's no rules to this thing. You know, especially with the time that we're living in, there's no rules. It's like you shouldn't be. For me personally, if I dish up for the kids first, you shouldn't see it as. You shouldn't be offended.
Yeah, that's
Sometimes
If it
now.
happens, that's what I'm saying now. I'm
Now.
not talking about then. I'm talking
Because-
about now.
Now.
But you can
And-
do it. You can do that when it's you and your husband. But when there's
Yeah, no, when there's others,
people-
no, that's different.
Yeah.
But I'm talking about my home, my
Okay.
family alone
Yeah.
right
But
now.
me, if let's assume now I'm married with kids, right? I don't mind if the kids eat first. Like it's from people, from your own perspective.
Yeah.
For me, I don't see anything wrong in that. I
Right.
can say give the kids first. It depends. But when you talk about the roof, like where we come from, if you want to compare like then,
Yeah.
it does matter to people then.
Of course,
You know
no,
what I
that
mean?
we know. That's
Yes.
for a fact
But
that we
for
know.
now, if it's for me, I don't mind.
Right?
And I know some people they don't mind as well.
Yeah.
So I'm just like, with the time that we in a, like, my husband shouldn't feel some type of way because I dish for the kids first. It doesn't. There's so many other things to be stressing about. You now thinking it's disrespect because
Yeah.
It's not.
It's
See,
not.
part of-
If we
Sometimes
were
you just
living in
wanna
that
take the
time,
children
you
to
know,
be in the
for me-
right space.
for
Let
me-
me tell
sorry,
you.
Ori,
Do you
for
know?
me,
Do you know?
I just want
when you
to.
go
Sorry,
to
Ori.
Okay. Sorry.
For me, like I really just want to dish up for the kids first, and then my husband and I we can eat
Why
together.
will your kids come first?
It's not about putting
not like
them
coming
first.
But at the end of the day,
They are coming first. You met your husband before anything. Why choosing those
I was
people
waiting. I
ahead
was
of?
waiting.
Yes, that's what you are saying. Do it.
That's not
But,
it.
Okay.
but for you not to go out of line,
Lie.
and for the
If
for the
you are
kids
being
not
taught-
to go out of line,
Uh-uh.
you need to as well.
You
be
teach
teaching
them.
those things. You know
That's
what I
what
mean?
you are trying to do.
Even if you dish for them,
Yes.
but they must know, like.
This is how we do
No,
it.
it's
in
not
our
something that I
family.
will do it each and every day. It's
See,
not something-
that's why I said
That's
sometimes.
what I'm saying. It doesn't have to happen
when
all
you
the
say-
time that I
when
dish
you
up with
say-
kids. But if I do,
you
you
know,
shouldn't see that
sometimes
as disrespect.
my children, if they are around and the wives, my wife, and I'm cooking, you understand?
Yeah.
I can dish for my children. Yeah, go and eat, go and eat, go to dinner. You
Yeah,
understand?
yeah.
I'm the one cooking. When you are cooking as a man now, you will not feel like eating.
Yeah.
You will dish for them. You might take small. You understand?
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But you see the rules or the normal thing as it be. Yeah? If you are growing up and they taught you this same thing we are saying, I don't see why you should go away from it. If there are some circumstances that comes up in the future, maybe there are not enough food, it's been blah blah, you understand? That the children have to eat first. Fine.
Yeah.
But there is enough food and everything. Even in marriage counseling, they will tell you when the children comes in, you should not take your children ahead of your husband.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Your husband must, because you met your husband is number one, the children are coming the second one. You
Okay.
understand? So your husband must be the first person. Why the husband must take the wife first before the children too.
Okay.
Doesn't mean you don't love them. Doesn't mean
And
you
the
don't do
kids,
everything.
and the kids supposed
the
to
same
know.
thing doesn't
But
mean I
the
don't
wives
love you
and-
when I dish up for the...
So you are taking me as a second now. That's what it still means.
No.
So okay,
does
if you
not
don't,
mean
then why are you now? If you can't do, why are you now against serving your husband first?
No, you didn't hear me say I'm against it. I did not say I'm against
So
it.
if you are not against it, then it should be the way you are being taught. You should not
Amen.
deprive from it.
What I'm trying to say is that the kids should also know, like, this is how it's supposed
Things
to be.
are done. We understand. I get
we
that.
understand. And
Yes.
children of today, they know that the first person you need to serve, even if you
If
don't
you are not
tell
being
them,
practicing
even if you
it,
don't tell
and-
them, they
and-
know
okay,
you should
no,
dish
no.
up for
Another
them.
thing we should know. You see, recently, kids, when they're done eating, they leave the plate for you.
Mm-hmm.
Is what the kids now are doing. But then, when everybody done eating, the kids supposed to, like, you know,
You take
the
kitchen.
plates out to
So these are the
even
things
wash
we
it.
need to we need
You
to
understand?
be teaching them.
But
If
now,
you don't,
kids now, they don't do that. They will just leave it there for the mom
Okay, I
to
haven't
go and...
seen that yet.
Yeah, it's
it's
happening.
it's happening
I'm telling you.
everywhere.
It's happening.
The daddy, I want to. You
Again?
give them food, mommy, water, mommy.
Yeah, that's it.
They knock your head in our African home.
Yeah, times
You know?
have changed. Like, okay, like I just want to give. I like what you just said because I just want to give a quick example. When I'm a firstborn, so when growing up, like parents are different with the firstborn, right? Second child, they start to calm down a bit. Third child, I've got a last born here. That child, there's no way. Even at my age, I won't ask my dad, get me water. That's disrespectful, you know.
Yeah.
Especially as Africans, that small boy will sit there, dad, bring,
You get what I mean? That's what I'm trying to explain to you as well.
dad, bring me water, please, on your way from the kitchen.
And the recent dads
And he
of
will
now
do
will
it.
go and do it.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So, like, if I do that
My
now,
dad
he
will
will
just
look at
you.
me.
He won't say anything. He will just look at you.
Yes, with face, you know how
That
far.
face will be
I
like,
know,
if I get
I'm
you,
not even, like,
if I get
that's
you.
what I'm trying to get to. If I do that to my dad now, he will give me one look, like,
Just
I will
a look.
just. Well, if that little one does
Can you
that,
show me
it's
the
like,
look?
That look will be, if I get you.
No,
That look is dead.
in African home, only look is okay for them.
Right?
They don't have to
I'm
talk,
telling
only
you.
look. You know where
My
it's
dad
coming.
can communicate with you with body language.
Yes.
Maybe there's also a couple of elders.
Exactly, just the eyes. I'm telling you.
Or maybe if they're having a conversation and you're sitting there, my dad will be like, it's just like go out from here. You know? And
my
when
God.
you look at him, you'll be like, oh Jesus. You just
You know,
move
trouble, yeah.
So guys, I believe we
Honestly.
should do the right thing we are being taught from,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's show respect with one another,
So in conclusion, what we're trying to say, it's all about, it's like what I personally think, there is no rules to this whole thing. How you can, train your kids the right way. Is that what
Yeah.
we're trying to say,
But
right?
as long as in African home is being taught to give to the father, let's teach our children that way, so they will take it up. You know, we cannot allow them to erase our culture.
Yeah, exactly.
That is it. So let them take it over and over. We have so many years to go.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. So, wow. You literally heard what we all had to say. You heard Ori speak his mind. You heard Z's opinions, and then you heard Victor's opinions. Guys, with me, honestly, in conclusion, it's literally about what's in the home, what you teach your kids. Teach them the right things. Teach them the important things. Also, like, try to stick to your culture, right? Don't try to drift away from culture. And also, guys, let us know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and see you guys till next time. I'm your girl, Melody Farida Masamba. Take care.